How to grow hair faster, thicker, and longer. Onion juice has a little-known benefit. It can help avoid hair loss and thinning. Onions have a lot of sulfur in them. Sulfur can help in hair growth and repair because it improves blood circulation. One of the most essential nutrients for hair growth is sulfur, which is present in many amino acids that make up proteins. Protein is essential for hair development, as you might be aware. Keratin is a protein that contains a number of sulfuric amino acids. Scientists have discovered that onions can assist with hair loss and other hair problems like dandruff, parasites, and premature praying. In this video, we'll show you a recipe that uses onion juice and honey to treat hair loss while still making your hair smooth and shiny. Honey has a variety of cleaning and moisturizing effects. What you'll need: 1 onion, honey, a blender, a strainer, a bowl, an essential oil of your choice, optional. Steps to take: prepare an onion by peeling, chopping, and blending it. Strain the pulp that has been mixed. Press the pulp with a spoon to remove the juice. To the onion juice, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey. Add a few drops of essential oil, such as lavender oil, if desired. How to apply: apply this mixture to your bald spots or your whole scalp. Cover your hair with a shower cap and keep it on for at least 30 minutes, or overnight. The next morning, rinse your hair. Do this every day for a couple of months, just before you're happy with the outcome. Tips: rather than blending the onion, grind it first and then remove the juice. Instead of using a strainer, pressing can be done with a cheesecloth. Alternatively, a juicer may be used. To save your eyes from tearing or vomiting when cutting the onion, put it in the freezer for 15 minutes before chopping it. Using rosemary, lavender, peppermint, or other oils that stimulate hair growth if you want to add a fragrant essential oil. To mask the onion's heavy odor, you can also add lemon juice or rose water. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more amazing secret tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel. Stay healthy.